I am not able to make sentences in English. There are many people, they want to speak English, they want to make English sentences, but they don't know how to make sentences, so they always say I'm not able to make sentences in English. So today I will tell you some ways how you can make sentences in English. The first one is, guys, you should learn structures. Structures are the formulas by using you can create sentences, like there is a subject, verb, object, all these kind of things, so you can learn the structures. Okay, the second one is start simple. You should not go for complex things. First start with the simple sentences, simple, you should create simple sentences. The third one is learn basic grammar. Guys, grammar is an important part to create an English sentence or just speak also. So if you want to create sentence, if you want to make sentence in English, you need to learn basic grammar at least. The fourth one is learn vocabulary. Guys, vocabulary is an important part of English, and when you are creating any sentence, making any sentence, you need some kind of vocabulary, so please learn vocabulary also. And the fifth one is make sentences. Guys, now you are able to make sentences, so please make sentences. Try to keep on doing the practice. And the sixth one is the same thing which I'm telling you, practice. Do lots of practice to make sentences. Definitely one day you will be able to create very good kind of sentences. And the seventh one is listen and repeat. When the people are speaking, just listen them, how they are creating sentences, how they are making sentences. Definitely you will be also able to make sentences. So here are some points which I told you, like how can you make sentences in English. You can apply all this method and you can also create sentence in English. Thank you so much for watching this video.